Did you know that there is underrated built-in transition in DaVinci Resolve that uses AI to create frames? Let me introduce you to SmoothCut. What it does is it creates frames to make the cuts smooth. It's different from crossfade because the crossfade fades the video while SmoothCut modifies the frames, so the cut is not visible. So let me show you how to use it. If you record a video, it's normal to have pauses and filler words, right? In editing, you jump cut to remove those boring parts. But jump cut makes the video look like jumping. Now, if you use a smooth cut, the video will be smooth. It's like you spoke perfectly without any errors. If you are editing a podcast or a talking head video, you can use this transition to hide those visible jump cut and to make the video smoother. Wait, are you a videographer, someone who creates cinematic videos, music videos, or someone who does color grading at work? Well, great news. DaVinci is giving us free trial to test their product. No credit card needed at this stage. And if you decide to purchase it, you can get 10% discount if you use my code JOHNEDITPODCAST. DaVinci is a color grading tool that helps you achieve overall cinematic looks all inside your editing software. It's perfect if you want to elevate your visuals and give your videos that professional film aesthetic. Don't wait. Visit DaVinci now. Link in the description and test their product. If it's something that helps improve your workflow, go ahead and use my code JOHNEDITPODCAST on your purchase to get 10% discount. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.